Hello everyone, welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today, I'm going to tell you some of the amazing advanced words that will help you to improve your daily English vocabulary. If using the word very is your problem and habit too, no worries at all. I'm suggesting you 15 amazing words that will boost up your English vocabulary and also shuffle the word very with some alternative advanced words. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? If you want to order our amazing Basics to Business English vocabulary book, you can book it right now from the description below. The link is in the description of Booksvilla website. You can definitely go and order now and get your book on discount. Our first word for today is very weak. So instead of using the word very weak, you can use the word frail. Frail. See, I'm pronouncing the words very slowly. I want you to understand its pronunciation. Frail. Next one. Instead of using the word very strong, you can use the word sturdy. 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 See, I'm pronouncing the words slowly so that you can pause the video and try to copy the same. Emulate the same. Next one. Instead of using the word very happy, you can use the word euphoric. Euphoric. Instead of using the word very sad, you can use the word miserable. 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 Instead of using the word very angry, you can use the word enraged. 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 Instead of using the word very beautiful, like me, you can use the word striking. Striking. Instead of using the word very interesting, if you are my student, then you must know instead of using the word very interesting, what else word you can write? Tell me in the comment section. It is riveting. Riveting. Riveting means something which is very interesting and you can't take your eyes off from it because it's that much interesting. Instead of using the word very boring, you can use the word tedious. 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 Instead of using the word very big, you can use the word gigantic. 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 Instead of using the word very small, you can use the word petite. 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 Instead of using the word very new or something which is new, you can use the word contemporary. Contemporary. Or you can also use the word novel. Novel. Like novel experience. It means a new experience. Instead of using the word very good, you can use the word exceptional. Exceptional. Instead of using the word very bad, something like which is very bad, extremely bad, you can use the word horrendous. Horrendous. Or you can also say deplorable. Deplorable. Horrendous or deplorable. Instead of using the word very tired, you can use the word drained. Drained. Now you let me know in the comment section what else word you can use instead of very interesting. I've already told you. Tell me in the comment section. Show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner and give this video a thumbs up. Spread smiles and spread positivity. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.